That's how vice presidential rollouts happen.
But you ever seen one where the issues are dominated by vice presidential?
I'm so glad they're dominated by issues and not personality and competence.
Kimberly wants to get in.
Yeah.
Can I just throw this in here, Bob? You yourself said the only way to fix this. Listen. The only way to fix this is to
you know, you do that one more time. You're fucking.
You have to look at programs. You have to reform entitlements. The only way to fix it is that way. So we have to do that.
Can we, you know what, Obama pledged to fix entitlements. I guess we got to go.
I apologize. I didn't
anyway,
really. It didn't get all the way out. It didn't get all the way out. All right. I'm sorry, Kevin. I did apologize. I'm sorry. But he just hit me in the arm.
I apologize. Shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, coming up, a Muslim woman is suing Disney because they apparently wouldn't let her wear a religious headscarf to work. Does she have a case? Kimberly will explain.
He is scared because